What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Meeple from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the face. We're going to start from the very top in the middle. And we just want to work our way around towards the bottom, come up the right side, and then back up towards the top. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to draw a straight line going across. And then we'll draw that upside down triangle, rounding up the ends. Now we're going to come down at an angle towards the center of the head. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to tuck the eyes in underneath that triangle. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a large circle, going all the way around. And just pull that up underneath, and then line that up on the right side. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. Start from the very top, draw a straight line coming down, round up the pupil, and then bend that in. And we'll do the same thing on the right, coming down the middle, round up the pupil, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve for the mouth. Let's switch to our thick marker and fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now with the face complete, let's draw a larger circle along the top. We'll start on the bottom left side of the head, go all the way around, go up and in toward the middle. And it's going to work our way down and out around the right side. And we're just going to tuck that in. Let's go back to our thick black marker and fill the outside of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that box in the center of the body. We'll start underneath the head, draw a straight line going across, just touching the chin. Let's round out the top corners. Round this out, and then coming straight down. Let's round out the bottom corners, and then pull that in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Now I'm just going to merge these two lines with a circle. Coming across the bottom, and then back up. Now on the four corners, we're going to add a little rivet. Small circle. And then we'll add that face in the center, starting with two small circles in the middle. Let's add a little smile. Now let's go to the outside and draw two half circles coming around. Now from the top, we just want to add a box with rounded corners, going up, across, and then bend that down. And then from the bottom, come across and then up. Now we want to tuck the legs in underneath. Let's leave a gap in the center, start on the left, bend the leg going out and then down on both sides. Now from here, we're going to draw a circle for the knee, going all the way around and then bend that back up. Now let's go out towards the top of the circle, bend the leg going up and in towards the hip on both sides. And then draw a straight line going up underneath that box. Let's go back to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the legs. Let's go to the inside of that circle, bend the leg coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go to the outside, bend in the opposite direction, going out and then down towards the same height. Now we want to close off the bottom with a curve. Let's move up and add a trim with that same curve. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. We're going to start from the top corner, angle this up and then out on both sides. And then from here, angle this up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to that outside point, angle this down and in towards the bottom. Round this out, angle this up and then in towards the side of the body. Now from this bottom curve, draw a straight line coming in. Now inside this face, we're going to draw 2 small black dots. And then along the top and the middle, add 1. Let's draw the arms in underneath. We're going to start up here, bend this out and then down, round up the arm, and bend that back up underneath. Let's fill the inside of the arms in black. Now across the base of the arm, I'm going to draw an oval. Starting from the outside, we're going to go out, across the bottom, and then back in. From the outside of the ovals, draw 2 straight lines coming down and out. And I want to close off the bottom with that same curve. And now we're going to draw a circle underneath that cuff, starting from the outside. I'm just going to tuck this in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Meeple from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.